Hi, I'm Evan with RightRope. Today we are going to be learning how to do a chain splice on a 3-strand rope. A chain splice is used to permanently secure a 3-strand rope to a closed loop like a chain. The most common application for this is an anchor rod. So the tools you're going to need for this splice is whatever you're going to splice into, the chain in this case, the rope that you're splicing. A fid helps open up the rope to put the strands through, and then some tape. So to start the splice, we're going to remove this tape from the end of the rope and count back 13 picks, which is just the distance from one top strand to the next top strand. Count back 13 picks and mark it with some tape. Put the top edge of the tape right on the 13th pick. Next, unravel these strands down to that tape. Now is when the chain comes in. Your 3 strands should form a triangle, and the chain is going to sit partway through this triangle, and 2 strands are going to go over like this, and 1 strand is going to come in the middle through the chain like that. Once you have your strands oriented through the chain like this, you can remove this tape at that 13 pick mark. So now that your strands are oriented through the chain like so, it's just like a regular 3-strand eye splice, where we splice these back down the standing end of the line, going over 1 pick and under the next. Over 1 pick, under the next. Once you have the first set of tucks done, pull all your strands tight to make sure that this eye is nice and tight around the chain. Then you can do your second set of tucks, going over 1 strand and under the next. Again, once you have your second set of tucks done, pull all your strands nice and tight to sync up this splice around the chain. Now repeat 3 more sets of tucks so that you have 5 complete sets. Your strands should be just long enough so that you get 5 complete sets of tucks, but they finish fairly flush with the rope. There is your finished chain splice. Thank you for joining me today. We trust this has been a helpful tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe for more rope related content. We do actively monitor our comment section as well, so drop any questions you have down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Lastly, if you need any rope, shop RightRope.com for the right rope at the right price.